not working. Why isn't this working?
Just tell him to figure out how to break this store down.
Totally.
Oh my god, Miss Permit.
So?
Miss Permit.
I know, she's like a substitute teacher.
It won't go past there.
I know. Okay, it's already been a minute, which means we've probably been waiting here for like
5.
like, yeah, 5, maybe more.
What if we should unplug it?
Maybe we should kick it. No, that didn't work.
Would you like to receive $1,000 today? Approvals take only 90 seconds.
Yes, I would like to receive $1,000.
No.
Then I could buy my own freaking vending machine.
I'll be free.
Yeah, and I'll make my soda free, and I'll buy a high-end vending machine that doesn't do all this crap. Come on, vending machine.
Oh, I just talked to you.
Come on, just give me a freaking soda. Spent $1, I expect my soda. Yeah. Emma, I don't think we're gonna get our soda. Don't unplug it.
Tell the F-man. Yeah, enjoy your little Look, ready? Wait. Let me see if this one works. I'll pay you back $1.
Hold on. Yeah, I think it does work. I've actually like memorized what this does now. It's up, down, and up. Then you can tilt. Then that way.
You guys still doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still doing it.
Inside. I don't know. Well, so far it's been like 7 minutes. Why don't we go tell Dr. Priolo or something?
Don't worry, something I don't need.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. It's broken.
I wear that? No, it's not mine.
Put it on Facebook. I'll wear that. Retarded vending machine.
Yes.
Oh my god. It like flips out.
Okay, I've officially memorized what it does now.
Where does it go? Where does it go?
It's up there, and there,
For like 5 minutes.
there, afterwards, flip to the side, and up there, down,
Goes up.
and up, and down.
Put it on
And up.
Facebook. We could just
I don't have
click it.
Facebook.
Oh.
My parents think I'll give out my information to strangers.
I wouldn't open that. I put that on Facebook. Sarah, open it. You guys would push a lot of buttons?
I'll post it on YouTube. Don't worry.
No. Should we clear it? Good.
I don't know what that does.
It says press start to clear it.
Wait, just let it stop. It's been going on for 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
More than that, cause yeah, I've been waiting here like 10 minutes before I started taking video.
The vending machine's been going on for like 5 minutes. It hasn't given it. Look at it. It just goes up and
I'm
down.
taking a video.
It's been doing it for 5 minutes.
Looks like it's very confused.
It's so weird.
That's weird. I guess you just have to reach your hand in and take it out.
I don't know if you could do that. You can't.
It's like stops. Yeah.
I don't feel very confident that something is not going to break my hand off.
Yeah.
Talk about eating your dollar. It's like insane.
There you go. See that? It took me